Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 22 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. Question 22 says two right triangles PRQ and PSQ are drawn on the same hypotenuse PQ. If PR and QS intersect at T, prove that ST into TQ is equal to PT into TR. In the to prove statement, ST and PT belongs to the triangle PTS and TQ and TR belong to the triangle RTQ. So let's take these two triangles and prove the similarity of the triangles. Let's draw the two triangles separately. Triangle PST, right angled at S, and TRQ, right angled at R. Here angle S is equal to angle R because they both are measuring 90 degrees each. Angle PTS is equal to QTR since they are vertically opposite to each other. So by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. This implies that the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. For ST, the corresponding side is RT, and for PT, the corresponding side is QT. Transposing RT and QT, we get ST into QT is equal to PT into RT. So this is the statement that we have to prove, hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.